Good morning, my name is Cindy Roberto. I am going to present the activity for step 4, attendance and the practical workshop. Last weekend, my family and I set off to Boyacá. I already grew up there, so if you're born in that place, you always feel at home when you come back. We just hang out, look around, and took in the fresh air like always. I told them that if we go back next month, we pick up some snacks and bring along the dogs. And honestly, if I could, I would move back, chill out there forever and never jet back to the city. At the end, we packed up the car and left, laughing like old times. Thank you.